In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a list in your Trello account. Archiving lists in Trello can be incredibly useful for maintaining clarity and organization in your boards, especially when you're juggling multiple projects or tasks. By archiving lists, you streamline your workflow by setting aside items that you don't need immediate access to, but may want to revisit later. So let's dive in and learn how to do it. First, you'll need to head over to Trello.com. If you haven't already installed the Trello app, you can either use a web browser or your preferred app platform. Once you're on the site, you'll want to log in. Look for the login button, usually located at the upper right hand corner of the home page. It's easily accessible and takes you straight to the login page. Here you've got two main options: using your email or opting for the convenient Google account login, whichever you find more straightforward. Once logged in, the next step is to navigate to your boards. You'll find the boards option prominently placed, making it simple to locate. This section is your control center where all of your Trello boards are neatly lined up. For those of you working within larger teams or on multiple projects, clicking on your workspaces is essential. This organizes your boards, helping you quickly locate the specific board you want to work with. Now scroll through your boards until you find the one containing the list you want to archive. Once you have it in sight, click on it to enter the board's detailed view. Here you'll see all the lists that make up your project workflow. Navigate to the list you're considering archiving. On the right hand side of this list, you'll spot three little dots. Clicking on these dots will open a menu of options associated with that specific list. With the menu now open, look for the option labelled Archive this list. This straightforward action will remove the list from your board's active view without permanently deleting any data. Archiving helps you keep your board clean and focused on current tasks, while still allowing you to retrieve the information if needed later on. And that covers the process. Archiving a list in Trello is a simple yet effective method to manage your workflow and keep everything as organized as possible. Remember, you can always access these archived lists later by navigating to the board's menu and selecting Archived Items. This feature is perfect for those moments when you might need to revisit a previous project or repurpose a list. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial, and happy organizing.